but the plain butter picture to the riser of the way I am and put in stamp a glow in how my hammer is the life of the better sight. I live and write, I do my things and all my change and write it to the bank of the order in my living life. I think this was more like a folk or jazz. I really understand in the passion to the blitz of the way I kick it. I say, oh, what a super interstition of playing on a figure, the man of the mouth, the GoonbuzzRadio operator.
I wanted to be the M&M that was Mary Trick and Chama Jerry did the street that she was from, and what difference does it make? I was a Monticello singing Jews a hit and a hairless scar. Nigga, what a boy, nigga.
Alright, so we're gonna put another beat on. GoonbuzzRadio is happy to say we're living in Stephanie Kumar's playlist right now. Dream on what you know and key some what the funk can be. One what it bound in the sound like a butterfly flopping the wings constantly to a dress and a move its head insists of the way and it insists to be the best in the kiss of the beauty in the star again met upon playing butterfree and what a key of the sweet and delicately known on the channel on the GoonbuzzRadio. Wookie walkie talkie balkie on the fire droppy hoppy noppy of the snobs in the play. I'm an alcoholic, dumb and full of can of drink installing, but I sometimes run blind in my head like hearse in the purse of the curse of where I'm from, where I come. Rolling Casper haunted ghosts tried to hit me, flip me in and dip me, though not in Florida, but Florida right now on today. Car white, nice looking right, tried to swerve in a burning out from May. I had the right away, what in talk of Flav, he was at the stop, I was in the middle of the cross, then he whip and glow, trying to get a name for himself, he just a rabbit motherfucking animal that eats